Welcome back. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent, and today we are in the wonderful Willow Wood community looking at Chesmar Homes, model home in the neighborhood. This is the Wimberly. This home is listed at $688,000. It is a 2-story, 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage, and it is sitting at 3,025 square feet. So as soon as you walk into the home, you have that office on the left-hand side and this beautiful formal dining room. On that right side would have been the garage entrance. Now you have one of the half baths right here. So the cool thing about Chesmar Homes is everything that you do see in here, most of it is not upgrades, it's all standard. So of course there's gonna be a few upgrades, but try and imagine just a little bit less than what this model offers, which is great. This home is beautiful. As we look at the kitchen, you have an amazing walk-in pantry with this extremely spacious kitchen, a ton of counter space. So if you're gonna be doing a party or perhaps like myself and you might be meal prepping, you have a ton of place to set everything up so you can get your meals for the week. Now we'll go into the backyard. The cool thing about Willow Wood is it is a master plan community. It is 360 acres. There is 2 other builders as well. There's a ton of outdoor stuff like parks, community center, pools, and you are close to about 100+ restaurants in McKinney. So that is a plus of living in McKinney. You are right off 75 and close to 380, so you can get in and out of the city fairly easy. The schools in this neighborhood are going to be Melissa ISD. So for the elementary school, you have Willow Wood Elementary, which is actually in the neighborhood. You have Melissa Middle School and Melissa High School. All of these have great ratings according to the websites. I will link down below so you can do your own research. Now we're in the master bathroom with this really nice walk-in closet. I really love the layout of the bathroom with the tub in the corner. Never really seen that. It's usually kind of attached to the shower. So it's just a kind of unique look. And we'll head upstairs to go and check out everything else as well. So keep in mind right now is some of the best times to go ahead and buy new construction. As rates are going up, some of these new construction companies are giving amazing incentives for purchasing a home. Especially if you end up using their lender, you can get a lot of incentives to help you with closing costs. For example, they will be giving you $10,000 in closing costs. You can also use some of that to perhaps buy your rate down and get that rate a little cheaper. What I would probably recommend, if you can afford it, I would just disregard the rate, and in the couple of coming months or perhaps a year or so, you can refinance into a lower rate. Right there is the upstairs. We just saw the media room. You have this nice little loft kind of game room area, which I love. And we will check out the last bedrooms. If you are interested in taking a look at this community, there's other builders here, like I said, but if you're interested in this beautiful home, please reach out to me. I would love to be able to help you out and show you around. My contact information is up on the screen and in the link in the description. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm just one notification away from helping you find your home. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a quick little tour of the neighborhood. Like I said, give me a call and I will see you at the closing table.